Hello guys, my name is Kelani Bashiru Omotoyosi. Welcome back to the Yoruba Place. On this episode, we are going to be dissecting Adekunle Gold's album, a particular song from that album. Like you've known from episodes back, we've been dissecting old songs from ranging from 1950s to 1960s, 1970s especially, and even some in the 1980s. We've done research and dissected songs from Ayinla Ọmọwúrà, Mo bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ etí wọn kún. We've dissected songs on Oloye Eko by Ayinla Ọmọwúrà. We've also done some dissections of Ebenezer Obey songs, one of them board members, and it actually went viral. So today we are going to be dissecting Adekunle Gold's song, which is titled Big Fish. This song is the number one song on that album. It's the number one track on that album, which is named Fuji. It was just released a couple of weeks back. So a few days ago, Adekunle on his Twitter page, on his X page, he asked a question. He tweeted that, ask me questions about the album Fuji. And someone quoted that tweet. I think Oyinda, the custodian, the culture custodian, she said she's curious and she wants to know where Adekunle Gold actually sampled the first 10 seconds in that particular track. She was curious where Adekunle Gold sampled that sound from. Now we are going to be running you back in time to let you know where that particular sound was gotten from. So in that first track, if you play the track, you hear like an old song sounding from a gramophone. The song went like Ọmọọba kì í jagun bí ẹrú, Kosoko MOROHUNFOLU, Tọ́ba Olúwa láṣẹ, Tọ́ba Olúwa láṣẹ, èyí ó wù wá wí. You can see that there's a connection in this song and Adekunle Gold as a person. We all know that Adekunle Gold is a descendant of the Kosoko family, and in history, as somebody that is very, very conversant and current, you would know the name Kosoko is actually a royal name in Lagos, in Eko, back from the 1700s up until even now. They have different people who bear that name up until now. And in that song, the person who sang that song, which I'm going to come back to, is actually Lefty Salami. So he said, Ọmọọba kì í jagun bí ẹrú, that is, the prince does not fight in the battle like a slave. He now mentioned Kosoko MOROHUNFOLU, Tọ́ba Olúwa láṣẹ, èyí ó wù wá wí. So now we are going to be matching the song, the person who sang the song, and Adekunle Gold himself. Now let's listen to this song together so we are not lost in the dark. So the song is actually is track 1 on that album titled Big Fish, and let's listen to it. So that is the sample from that song. Now, Adekunle Gold, we know his name is Adekunle Almoruf Kosoko. Like I said earlier, is a direct descendant of the Kosoko lineage. Who sang this song? The name of the person is Salami Balogun, popularly known as Lefty Salami. He was a popular sakara music back in the 1960s and majorly in the 70s. He was one of the best sakara musicians of their time, alongside Esaka, alongside Ligali Mukaiba, alongside Abibuluwa, and the greatest of them all, Yusuf Olatunji, popularly known as Baba Legba. Adekunle Gold is very smart for using this sample, being that his family's name was mentioned in this song, Kosoko MOROHUNFOLU. In the Lagos royalty line, King Kosoko was actually an Oba of Lagos during his time, and he reigned from 1845 to 1851 before he was sent on exile to another town outskirts of Eko. Now, like I said, Adekunle Gold was smart using this song to lead his album, praising him. The singer of the song was actually praising his ancestors, that is Oba Kosoko, back then in 1845. The song was actually released in around 1970s when Sakara wave was enormous in Lagos Island and other southwestern region in Nigeria. So I hope everyone who's watching this or might be listening to it now understands why Adekunle Gold sampled such song in his album. The Kosoko connection with Lefty Salami, who was also a son of the soil in Lagos Island. For those who I want to listen to this song, it is scattered all over the internet. I mean, this actual song by Lefty Salami. You can just go on Spotify, go on YouTube, and type search Lefty Salami. This song on Spotify, it is in a record of Agunbiade Baba OSHA. In this record also, Lefty Salami praised all chiefs and obas in Lagos as at that time, particularly the Idejos. Those we call them the white cap chiefs from Oloto and different kings, Elegushi, Oniru, like that. He actually praised them in that song. That was why he also praised Kosoko MOROHUNFOLU in this record. And kudos to Adekunle Gold. This is a smash of an album, particularly using that song and maintaining the musical culture in the Yoruba race. That's actually a nice one. Follow Yoruba Place on Instagram, on Twitter, and on TikTok at For the Culture Always. Just follow us at For the Culture Always. You can link us to other songs that you know you might want to know their meaning or why the particular singer sang such songs. We'll be able to dissect it for you. Thank you.